In this video, we're diving into the 5 things you should avoid at all costs if you want to personify your deepest desires. These common pitfalls can seriously hinder your progress, so it's essential to cut them out of your life. By avoiding these 5 things, you'll see immediate changes in your manifestations. If you've been practicing manifestation techniques from Neville Goddard but haven't seen any results, you need to watch this video. Chances are you're guilty of some of these mistakes, but don't worry, we're here to help. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. Let's get started. Often, when we try to manifest something, we don't adhere to the necessary conditions suggested by experts like Neville Goddard. These conditions are essential for speeding up the manifestation process. In this video, I will be sharing with you something I've learned after studying Neville Goddard's books, which will significantly aid you on your manifestation journey. After several weeks or even months of trying without any positive outcome, you can experience significant changes in just a day once you stop doing the 5 things we'll discuss. Even though some of the recommendations may be challenging to put into practice, once you adopt the strategy, you'll witness noticeable results in a short amount of time. According to Neville, our ability to bring things into existence is closely tied to our focus and attention. Unfortunately, our focus often veers towards the unnecessary and negative aspects of our lives. We tend to dwell on thoughts and situations we don't want to manifest, which only leads to a continuous cycle of negative experiences. This can leave us feeling stuck, unable to attain the bigger things we desire. To break out of this cycle, we need to shift our focus and attention to things that truly matter. By eliminating certain behaviors that have nothing to do with manifestation, we can instantly begin to manifest what we desire. So, if you find yourself engaging in any of these unproductive habits, it's time to stop and redirect your focus. Here are the 5 things that have nothing to do with manifestation. If you are doing any of these things, stop doing them, and you will start manifesting what you are looking to manifest. Number 1. Focusing on the past. This is a big problem that should be addressed because most people are doing it. We often become attached to negative experiences from our past and allow them to affect our present and future. However, it is important to remember that we have a choice in how we approach these memories. If we dwell on them, we will become sad, but if we let them go, we can move forward and focus on the positive experiences that we want to manifest in our future. We should focus on our future and the things we want to manifest. Our desires and manifestations are linked to our future, so we should be prepared to receive what we want. By only thinking about positive experiences, we can manifest more of them. We should not let our past affect our future. Our thoughts manifest into our reality. Neville Goddard suggests that we focus on the state of wish fulfillment, which is the state of our future, rather than living in the past. If our future circumstances are unfavorable, we should ignore them and focus on what we want to manifest in our future. By doing this, we can prepare ourselves for the positive experiences that are on their way to us. Number 2. Overthinking. Overthinking can be a major hurdle in manifesting your desires. It's a habit for many people, but for some, it becomes an addiction that's hard to shake off. When you overthink, you can't decide what your main focus should be and what things to concentrate on. This delays your manifestation process. To counteract overthinking, Neville Goddard suggests that one should focus on living in the end, which means focusing on the end result of what you want to manifest, rather than overthinking about the current situation or past experiences. He advises to ignore the present circumstances and focus on the desired future. This helps to avoid overthinking and to stay in the state of wish fulfillment, which contributes to faster manifestation. However, it's hard to achieve this state of mind when your focus is scattered and you have many thoughts to concentrate on. This is where meditation comes to aid. When you meditate, you are in a state of relaxation and calmness that allows you to let go of negative thoughts and emotions that can hinder your manifestation process. Meditation helps you to connect with your inner self, your higher self, and the universe. This connection allows you to tap into your subconscious mind and the limitless possibilities of the universe. It also helps you to release resistance and negative energy that can block your manifestation. When you meditate, you can visualize and imagine your desires, and this helps to strengthen your manifestation goals. The more you visualize and feel your desires, the more you align with them, and the more likely they are to manifest. Meditation also helps you to increase your vibration and energy level, which is important in the manifestation process. When your vibration is high, you attract positive energy, people, and circumstances that align with your desires. Number 3, trying to make others happy. Trying to make other people happy can be detrimental to our manifestation goals because it can distract us from our own desires and lead us to focus on external factors instead of our internal state. We cannot control other people's happiness, and our efforts to do so can create stress and anxiety, which are counterproductive to manifesting our own desires. Additionally, when we focus on making others happy, we may neglect our own needs and desires, which can prevent us from manifesting what we truly want. Therefore, it is important to prioritize our own desires and well-being when manifesting and trust that when we are happy, we naturally contribute to the happiness of those around us. Instead of trying to make others happy, focus on surrounding yourself with positive people who will help you achieve your desires. Number 4, doubting yourself. Doubting ourselves is not good for the manifestation process because it creates a negative vibration within us that goes against the positive energy required for manifesting our desires. Doubt sends a message to the universe that we don't truly believe in our ability to manifest, which can result in a delay or even a failure to deliver what we want. It's important to trust in the process and have faith that our desires will manifest, even if it takes time. Doubt can also lead to negative self-talk and self-sabotage, which further hinders our manifestation journey. Therefore, it's important to let go of doubts and trust in the power of the universe to bring our desires to us. Neville Goddard suggests that we shouldn't doubt ourselves because our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. If we second-guess ourselves and our ability to manifest our desires, we are actually manifesting more insecurity and limiting beliefs into our reality. Instead, we should have faith in our ability to create and manifest our desires and believe that we are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. By having a strong and unwavering belief in ourselves, we can create the reality we desire and attract our dreams into our lives. Number 5, you aren't letting go. Letting go is essential to manifestation because it helps us to release resistance and attachment to our desires. When we cling too tightly to our desires, we create a sense of lack and desperation, which can actually push our desires away from us. By letting go, we release our attachment and trust that the universe will bring us what we truly desire, in its own timing and in the best way possible. This allows us to relax, feel more positive emotions, and ultimately align ourselves with our desires. Letting go also frees up our energy and focus to engage in other areas of our lives, which can help us manifest more quickly and efficiently. It helps us live in the present moment rather than constantly worrying about the future or past, which can help us feel more peace and joy. Neville Goddard suggested that you should live in the state of your wish being fulfilled, i.e., the concept of living in the end result. According to him, we should hold on to our desires and live as if they have already been fulfilled. So, when your wish is fulfilled, you start living it. You must make a shift in your lifestyle and way of thinking because you have entered another state. Prior to this knowledge, you used to think of what you wanted, and now you think of what you have. By letting go, we allow the universe to bring our desires into reality. I trust that this analysis of Neville Goddard's premise has been satisfactory. However, it's essential to note that we don't necessarily endorse everything he believed or said. The reason we're analyzing and discussing his concepts and approaches is to gain a better understanding of his overall ideology, as he was a revered educator who influenced millions worldwide. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below the video. Ultimately, each person forms their own unique opinion. Remember, if you want to see instant results in your manifestation journey, make sure to avoid the mentioned 5 things shared in this video and focus from the endpoint of your desire being fulfilled. Follow these simple steps and see your desires manifest into reality. As this video comes to a conclusion, do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we have a new manifestation video out for your viewing. Thank you for watching.